Okay. 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 We now have the detoxifying shampoo, the same concentrated nozzle as the original, the other clarifying shampoo that's up there. Comes with the same thing. Let's open it up. You want to make sure you twist this off and take off your little cap or your little protected seal. And as you can see, it has a purplish hue to it. This is going to remove sweat, dirt, buildup from your scalp and your hair. And it's going to keep your hair really clean. Let's look at this color. And it also is going to tone. So if you have blondes and stuff in your hair, it'll also tone that. We have the Scalp Refreshing Spray. And this is going to refresh your scalp, neutralize odor, and ease tension in between washes. Now, because most of my clients are wash and go girls, I'm going to see how we can utilize this with our wash and goes to prolong them. So we'll be trying this out with wash and goes. This is a no rinse spray. So you can, it has a targeted nozzle, as you can see right here. This targeted nozzle, so you can get right where you want it, spray it on your scalp, rub it in, and then you could even take like a rag and kind of use a circular motion to remove any dirt, oils from your scalp. I haven't used it yet. As you can see, I just took it out the box, but we will be trying this out. I will be trying this out as well when I remove my wig, and I can just, if I want to like go in between washes, shampoos, I can spray this in between my braids when I remove my wig and give it a shot. So I will be trying this out, and I will be checking back in to let you guys know how it is. Now let's see. All right, how do we just spray it? I smell like eucalyptus. Let me see if it has eucalyptus in it. So it has honey. It has peppermint. That might be a little bit of what I smell. It has rosemary. It has it has eucalyptus. You can smell that in this. So it has some things like rosemary that also helps with the promotion of hair growth. So that's what this targeted scalp refresh spray. So with those fragrant oils will help to like really neutralize any smell. So I sprayed a little in my hand, and I just want to rub it in just to see how it disappears. Just imagine this as your scalp. So it doesn't feel gritty or anything like that. So I had to try this out. All right. So I want to see how this will feel on my scalp. So with the concentrated nozzle, I'm finding an area in my wig where it's like no hair and I can feel my scalp, like it's no braids or anything. And I'm going to try and put it there. I feel it. I'm rubbing it in. It's a wig. That's why the whole thing moving. All right. So you can see a little bit of it on my finger. I'm going to try another area where it's kind of itchy. I like that you can use this nozzle and get straight to where you want it to go on your scalp without getting your hair, like without wetting it down. I feel a little tingling right now. Nothing like burny tingle or nothing like that. It's more like a soothing type of tingle. This, you don't even have to wash this out. So let me try it over here because it's a little itchy over here. Okay. All right. And I can feel the little light tingles over there as well. Again, nothing like a burny tingle or nothing like that. So I like it. So when I get home, I probably not even probably, I'm going to take the wig off and just kind of, I might put more of this on there. Oh no, I do need to wash my hair, so. But yeah, I really want to try this for like washing goes, like in between washing goes, just to see how long it could prolong. So this is a wig, but if this was a wash and go, you know, I could get in there, get my scalp refreshed without disturbing what's going on here. So try it out. You know, it's new, so I can't really say too much about it other than I like how it smells. I like that feeling on my scalp. I like that it's not wetting everything down. So I can see this being a good put in your gym bag. Wait, I got another little itchy part. You put it right here. Put it right here. Put it right here. Put in your gym bag. Take to the gym with you if you don't want to have to wash your hair completely after the gym. Just put this in there. All right. We'll be trying this out on our scalp in between washes on wash and goes. We'll see how we like this. All right, what's next? We have our detangling spray right here, and this detangles, adds moisture and slip. We want that slip because it's going to help to make things a lot easier when you are removing your braids or cornrows and stuff like that. So we want that slip. And manageability. It says shake well, spray, and gently detangle with a wide tooth comb or a brush. So I'm gonna shake well. Let's shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And I have some tangles down in here. It's not a whole lot, but it's a couple. So let's spray this there and see how it goes. Push this little button here to open it. Shake well. First I want to put it in my hand so y'all can see. So it's not super thick like a thick conditioner. It's pretty light. I do feel that slip. Let me just put it in my hair. Add it. Okay. All right. Let's try it. Let's get really under here because this piece here is pretty tangled. So let's try it there. And I'm only going to use my hands. So I'm going to first just rub it over so it can kind of get in there and saturate it. And now I'm going to just easily go through. Okay. 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 I like it. I like it. You rub it in a little bit there. Now, if I was to go on the other side where it wasn't, I didn't use the spray. I'm not doing that. Definitely cannot go through this hair at all because it is very tangly. Even if I try to do use my fingers to loosen up little knots, it's not happening. It's not happening. So let's use a little bit of this. Keep it uniform. Rub it over first just to kind of work the product in since I am using my hands. This little piece is really matted. With my hands. Y'all see it. Oh, not the earring. And I want to make sure I'm going really up in there like I was doing it before I sprayed it so y'all can see. the Scalp and Hair Balm, or Hair and Scalp Balm. I said it backwards, but this is that. Take this little thing off. And this is what it looks like. It goes from a solid to an oil. So I'm just gonna scoop off a little piece. A little piece. And then you're going to emulsify it in your hands. Just rub it together until it turns into the oil form. And then you would distribute it through your hair or scalp. I'm just putting it in my hair. So if you have braids in, you could use this in between on your scalp. It has rosemary oil in it, peppermint oil, eucalyptus again, coconut oil. A lot of great oils are in this. And again, it doesn't smell like strong. It's not a strong, overpowering smell. So you're going to get like a light scent. I have the bottle that you would put your hot oil treatment in. I don't have the hot oil treatment yet, but I'm getting it. So this is what you could put the hot oil treatment in. And this has little holes in it so you can direct it straight to your scalp, or you can put it on your hair for your hot oil treatment. You can also put this, like have a bowl of hot water, put this in there so that you can warm the treatment up. The treatment can be used straight out of the bottle, or you can warm it up in this bottle and put this on your hair too. So that's all I have. So that's what I have from the Protection Collection from Cécred. When you get yours, I'd like to see how you're going to use yours, and if you're using it on protective styles, or if you're going to try it on your wash and go. I'd like to see how it goes. So if you want to try Cécred products out, even this new line, you can use my code SJCURLS, SJCURLS, and get $10 off on your next order. So use my code SJCURLS and get your Cécred products at a discounted price. You can see how I use these products and others in the salon and at home. So make sure you follow and stay tuned. Bye. Thanks for watching.